Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new poem, The Old Owl. Okay? This poem is about the owl who is old. Have you seen owl? Owl look like this. Mostly owl came in night. Means when we all are sleeping, owl used to stay awake. Okay? So this poem is about an owl who is old. Okay? So today you will first go through the video, then you will write the poem and learn also. So now I am going to start. There is a wise old owl with a pointed nose and pointed ears and claws for his toes. He sits in a tree and he looks at you and he flaps his wings and he says tweet too. So the sentence which is given in bracket, you don't have to write that sentence and you don't have to learn that sentence. What you have to do, you have to learn only that underline. You're getting this underline lines for the poem. So this poem is about an owl who is old and wise. Wise means intelligent. This is a poem about an owl who is intelligent and old. And he has a pointed nose like this. He has pointed nose and he has pointed ears. Means nose is also pointed and ears is also pointed. And claws for his toes. Do you know? Have you seen claws? Claws means the toe of owl are called claws. Okay? Toe. The toe of owl are called claws. He sits in a tree. Where he used to sit? He used to sit in a tree. And he looks at you. And he looks at us. And he flaps his wings, means doing like this with his wings. And what he says? Tweet too. So this is a poem about an owl who is old and wise, means who is old and intelligent. He has pointed nose and pointed ears and claws for his toes, means his toes is called claws. He used to sit in a tree and he looks at us. He used to flap his wings, means doing like this. And what he says? Tweet too. Clear? This is very easy poem. So don't write and learn the word which is given in bracket. Learn only these words, lines. Okay? So in homework you have to first go through the video. Then learn the poem. Write also the poem in your copy and write the new words also. Clear? I think the poem is very easy and you will learn it and you will understand the poem also. Again, I am making you recapitulate. This is a poem about an owl who is old and wise. Who looks old and wise. He is very intelligent. Intelligent means brilliant. जो बहुत तेज है. He has pointed nose, means like this. He has pointed ears and claws for his toes. Claws means the toes of owl are called claws. He sits in a tree. Where he used to sit? He sits in a tree. He looks at us and he flaps his wings like this. Wings, you know na wings? Pank. And he flaps his wings and he says, what he said? Tweet too. Clear? So children, go through the video and try to understand the poem. Thank you and have a nice day.